What's the meaning of atoll? Atoll. Atoll.
Atoll. Atoll. An atoll is a ring or horseshoe-shaped coral reef that encircles a lagoon. Atolls form when coral reefs grow upward on the remnants of underwater volcanic mountains. As the volcanoes subside, the coral reefs continue to grow and eventually form a circular shape. The lagoon within the atoll is often shallow and can contain small islands and sandbars. Atolls are found in tropical regions and are home to a diverse array of marine life. They also play an important role in protecting coastlines from storms and erosion.